Hey there future drivers. Today we will learn everything about road signs in a minute. Red means stopping your car completely. The red and white triangle signals you to slow down and give way to the traffic. The white rectangle signals tells you about the legal speed limit. If there is a slash with a direction, do not turn in the direction the sign shows. Yellow signs warns you of caution ahead. Here are some more guide and information about signs by Adult Teen Driving School. Orange background means workers or lane changes ahead. If you like this video, visit our official website www.adultteendrivingschool.com.